Yo, what's going on, my impossible creators? If you are seeing this around the time I'm recording this, happy holiday to you and yours. Wish you the best. And you've probably seen the video that I just shared with you trending. And now you can add to it with your own version of it, of who you want to take a selfie with. It is actually fairly simple to do. And to start, well, I should say I'm a little bit under the weather, so apologies if I'm, not clear, but we will power through. That said, first things first, you're going to want to take a selfie. So this is the photo that I used for the video that I put together. Save that somewhere on your desktop, and then we're going to go to Higgsfield. On Higgsfield, go to Image. Then go to, where are you, Nano Banana? Go to Image, Nano Banana Pro, and that'll bring you to your Nano Banana Pro area. Okay, so once you make it here, go ahead and drag your selfie into that box area. So you can either drag it or you can hit the plus that was there and search for it. That's a different way to do it. But once you drag it in, I'm going to provide you with a prompt. You just need to swap out two things for whoever you want to take a photo with. Over here, I have Adam Scott, and then I have Apple TV show Severance. So you can change that for whoever. And then after that, go ahead and hit generate. All right, great. Once we have our image, we want to go to video, then Kling 2.6. And from here, we're actually going to change the Kling model, to Kling 2.5 Turbo. And that gives us a starting frame that we can put in and then an end frame as well. So that's actually what we want. So to start, go ahead and drag your starting frame, the severance shot, and then to end, I'm looking over on the side of the images I created. I'm going to drag over the Chappelle one and then let that load. And then the prompt that you're going to drop in, I'll provide it for you, but basically this is the prompt. You can pause to read it, and copy paste from where you're seeing the tutorial. Let's go ahead and hit generate. All right, now that I finished downloading, let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, there we go. Okay, so dude was just walking me over to Chappelle. Sweet. So that was great. We have our shot, and the next thing, so you can kind of heart that, save it. You're going to then swap the handoff from Chappelle, so that becomes your first frame, and then drop in whatever next celebrity you have that you want to meet, and keep the prompt the same, and then you stitch it all together in an editing software, and you are done. So that was honestly, that's it. So thanks for watching, and again, happy holidays. Appreciate y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.